Welcome back to the Electrician's 2 channel. On the bench today we have, we have the Dewalt 12 volt cordless lithium ion inspection camera. This model number DCT410si. This camera was released to the market July 2010. And I believe it's still in rotation to be sold to this day. If you guys were looking for one, go to one of the websites, eBay. I'm sure you can find one. This camera. Why do I have this camera? I had this camera. I bought this camera for when I'm doing installations, or I may be doing old work and running wire behind walls. Or maybe under a house, and whereas I don't have to go that far under the house, I can just run it under the house, but alongside the joist or whatever. And I bought that camera for that purpose, to look behind the walls in case I was running wires and there was some kind of obstruction in the way, didn't know what it was. And the hole that I already had for, just say cut out for the outlet to be installed, or if there's a hole there, if not, I'll even put a little hole and I'll put the camera behind it to see what's in my way from pulling wire or whatever, or if I can even install, make an installation in that part of the wire, or be in that part of the wall. Before I continue, fellas, let me ask you for your support of the channel. I'm going to ask that you, if this is your first time viewing the channel, I'm asking that you help support the channel, and it's for free. I'm asking you to hit that subscribe button and post a comment if you choose to. Hit that like button, that thumbs up button. All that is in support of the channel, and it's for free. I'm an electrician by trade. I'm also a tool lover. I'm also a do-it-yourselfer, whatever you want to call, tradesman. But my licensed trade is I'm a licensed electrician. I'm extending my hand to you guys. I'm asking you for your support. If you like my channel, you like the tools that I show, that I use, and that I show, and I really would appreciate your help. You could just tell me thank you by hitting that subscribe button. And so all that's out of the way. I really need your support, or want your support, if you choose to give it. I'm gonna thank you in advance. But anyway, back to this camera. This is a really nice camera. You don't have to buy the one by Dewalt, but you can get the others on the market that probably cheaper than this one. I got this at a real good price, and that's why I have it. And I really do like it. I like the fact that it's got a nice large screen. Screen. Everything about it is heavy duty. I like the size, the big battery that I have on it. It's a 12 volt max by Dewalt, and it lasts a very long time. It comes with a kit. It comes as a kit. It comes with a hard case. You get a charger. You get all kind of accessories that you can add on to the top, to the front of the little camera right here in the front on the wand, on this little flexible wand. Also, let me just show you a lot of other stuff about this here. Guys, I'm going to move the camera a little bit, so pardon me for this, because I'm standing behind it as I record. So let me move it 1 second. I wish I could show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so now what you're looking at now is the top of the building that I'm in. Okay, it's really nice and clear too, and it's in color. You also can use a mini SD card if you decide to record whatever you're doing. I've done it. It works very well. The volume, the clarity, or whatever you record, it works really well. This is the top of this test lead. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I tell you what. Let me try to get out of here. You see it? The doggone almost see like inside of it. But anyway, guys, it gives you a really nice picture. Also, this thing right here detaches. Let me, oh, I pushed the wrong thing. Hold on. Get back to where I was. Okay. So, let me see. Right here is where the SD card goes on the side. Right here. This is how it looks on the side. You get a light tape that is on up here. You can control the light, the brightness of this, the light on this wand. Underneath here, there's like a volume almost for the light. How bright you want it. You see this? You see it's going out now. Wait, put it back on for you. Just by me doing that. Also, let me hold on. There you go. I had to take it off, and you can still see nice and clear as the wand. Let me turn it up so you can get a better. You can still control this little wand inspection, the camera. You can hold it in your hand. I don't know how far you can get away from this. Maybe most stuff like this, probably 10 feet, while you hold it in your hand and it's still sending the signal. But it's really nice. This is the top of the camera. All the buttons that you see. Okay, see that? The side doesn't have none on that side, and this is the bottom view. And nothing around the back but that. And like I said before, that's where you put the mini SD card on the side. And the 12-volt lithium battery. And this, let me show you. This right here is like 3 feet. This wand that I'm holding is like 3 feet. And I bought an extension to it, which is another 3 feet, and it's a little bit smaller. That's the one I use. I could either use it to attach it onto here to make this like a 6 feet total length, or I could take this off and put it on here, and that'll be just 3 feet, just like this one. But the diameter is much smaller, and so that means that's the one I use when I say I'll put a hole in the wall, or if there's a hole in the wall, I'll use that one. Because I don't want to put, damage the walls or anything, but I use that one just to look behind the walls for me. So that's the whole reason why, I purchased this camera. And, you can't go wrong. I'm telling you, you cannot go wrong by having one of these. Again, it doesn't have to be this one by Dewalt, but just having one of these things. Just having one of these things, one of these cameras, you can't go wrong with it. And on this side of it, there's really nothing here. Let me just give you the info just in case you want to get it. Okay, so that's nothing. You can't go wrong with this camera. You can't. I don't have anything bad to say about it at all. Everything I have to say about it is positive. I love it. I haven't used it in over about, I used it about 7 months ago. And it's not something that I keep with me all the time. I don't keep it with me all the time. But I used it about 7 months ago. And it worked flawlessly, like I have to say right now. So if you guys were in the market of looking for one of these cameras and you find one, the price is right, I would not hesitate to get it. I would not hesitate to get it. Very nice camera. I'm very pleased with it. And the recording, when you're recording with the SD card, it's matter of fact, do I have it in here? I thought I had it. No, it's not in there. It's flawless. The picture is flawless. When I put it inside of a computer to look at it, and it's not that I needed to record anything. I just did it to see how well it works. And no, I did it to snap a picture. That's what I did, to take a photo of something I was doing. That's what I did, and it came out flawlessly. But anyway, guys, not much more I can say about it. I do give it my approval, and the rest is up to you. So anyway, I want to thank you guys for letting me take up your time. You guys stay safe out there, and welcome back. I welcome you guys back to the other videos that I have coming up, and there are lots more coming. So stay tuned. I'm out.